Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to convert the 4-column shop layout to 3 columns in tablet. So the shop columns here in Xtheme is 4 columns, and if you view this on tablet screen size, you get 2 columns. So there's no option for this, so we need CSS. So let's paste in the CSS that I've pre-coded. Looks like there's a glitch there, so if we remove this, you get 2 columns, and if you paste in the CSS, you get 3 columns. So the smaller screen size, you still get the 2 columns, and you can make these 3 columns, but it won't look good. So you just modify the media queries here, and in the smaller screen size you get 1 column. So that's it, and I'll post the code in the description box below, so hope that helps.